Have you ever tried giving someone a way too many instructions at once and then watch them forget half of it? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Day One Dev. That's what happens when we give an AI one giant prompt and expect it to handle everything perfectly. The AI can get lost, miss steps, or give unreliable answers. Today, we'll explore agentic pattern prompt chaining, a powerful way to break big problems into a smaller, manageable steps. By the end of this, you will see why this matters, not just for developers, but also for business leaders and innovators who want reliable AI outcome. Imagine asking someone to read a 100-page report, summarize it, pull out the numbers, find trends, then write an email all at once. Chances are they will do some parts well and fail at others. That's the challenge with the single prompts. AI often loses focus, forget a context, or makes mistakes that multiply as the task gets harder. We need a smarter approach. Prompt chain is like an assembly line. Instead of asking the AI to build the entire car at once, we'll let each station handle one specific task. Step one, summarize. Step two, extract trends. Step three, write an email. Each output flows into a next step, making the process modular, reliable, and easier to debug. If something goes wrong, you know exactly which step needs fixing. Let's put a simple analogy here. Think of it as a cooking a meal. You don't dump all ingredients into one pot and hope for the best. Rather, you chop, saute, season, and then put it on a plate. Each step builds on the last. We split tasks into clear, smaller steps. Summarize the prompt, render prompt, action a prompt. Each step is simpler, more focused, and less error prone. It's, as we discussed, it's like an assembly line in a factory. Each station does one thing really well, and the product improves as it moves down the line. Prompt chaining isn't just a theory, it drives real business value. Where do we see this pattern in action? AI can read dozens of articles, summarize each, pull out the facts, and then synthesize them into a single report. This is how modern research assistant work. Summarize documents, extract key fields, generate reports. Processing invoices or forms often needs multiple steps. Extract text, normalize numbers, and double check with an external tools. A single prompt won't cut it. Prompt chaining ensures accuracy. As we said, full names, dates, amounts from invoices, validate, then a transform. For blogs or marketing, AI first generates a topic ideas, then create outlines, draft sections, and finally polishes the tone. Each step builds towards a high quality content. In summary, brainstorm, outline, a draft, refine, publish. There's three business applications which we discussed. shows why prompt chaining isn't just a technical trick, a productivity booster for a real world use cases. For engineering team, the three key lessons when using a prompt chain. Always format the outputs clearly like a JSON or a bullet points so that the next step has a clear input. Treat each step as if it were handled by a specialist. One prompt is the analyst, the another is the writer, another is the validator. Track accuracy, latency, and error rates at each step. This helps the team know where the chain needs a tuning. By thinking modularly, teams can build AI systems that scale and stay predictable. Let's see the entire stuff in a big picture. As you see here, from a well-architectured lens, prompt chaining covers reliability, more accurate output at each stage, performance efficiency, faster response, since steps are modular, cost optimization, fewer retrace, less wasted compute, operational excellence, easier to debug, security. Each step can enforce the controls like sensitive data handling. So the big picture of the prompt chain transforms AI from a messy do everything at once tool into a structured, reliable partner. It helps us move from to clarity. Let me leave you a closing question. If you had to chain AI prompts in your business today, which process would beneficial for the most? Customer service, research, or content creation? Hope you liked it. If it helped you, please subscribe and share this video because the future of AI isn't just about answering, it's about process that work reliable.